everyone, this is Atima Jain and welcome to the Sharpies Update channel. In this video, we are going to learn tenses as these are the main fundamental pillars for speaking and writing correct English. Most of the guys get very scared when they hear attempt tenses. Maybe they are not cleared with the rules of it, or maybe they are not cleared with the implementation of it. So guys, I can help you to understand and make it quite easy. So without further ado, let's get started. What are tenses? It actually describes when any action happened with respect to time, or we can say tenses help us to talk about the timing of our activities when the particular activity is done. Now see this, have a look. Tense. Circle. Circle represents the present and the line left to the circle is past and the line right to the circle is future. So these are three: past, present and future, and each of these has four subtypes. First one is simple or indefinite, second one is continuous or progressive, third is perfect, and fourth one is perfect continuous. We can consider it a family tree. Grandfather tense is having three children, past, present and future, and each parent has four sons with the same names. As I told you before, simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So they all become 12 siblings. I'll show you all 12 together. Past, present and future. As I told you, they are having four sons with the same names. So these are total 12. So now let's learn all the tense one by one. So let's start with the present tense. So guys, let's focus on simple present. So simple present is used for habits, routines, universal truth, universal facts also you can say, and states. So let's take an example for each. Habits. I drink tea. If I say I am drinking tea, it doesn't show habit. So for habit, we have to make sentence into simple present. Let's take another example. Rohit spends his summer vacations with his parents. It implies that he spends his summer vacations with his parents every year. Now let's take an example for routine. I get up at 6. Now let's take an example for states, which don't often change. I live in Agra. Or we can take another example. She believes in God. Now, for universal facts, the earth revolves around the sun. So these are the examples for these. Now we will learn how to make sentence of simple present. To make simple present, we have to learn structure. So this is the structure. First subject, then first form of the verb, then object. Now you must be thinking, what are subjects? So subjects I am going to write here: I, we, you, they, or any plural names, and he, she, it, or any singular names. You must be thinking why I have divided these subjects into two parts. Because if there are these subjects, I, we, you, they, and plural, so we have to add first form of the verb we1. But if there is he, she, it, or singular subject, then we have to add s or es with the first form of the verb. Here you can see the example. I teach you and he teaches you. So I, with the I, we have to add only first form of the verb, that I have given teach. But with the he, I have to add s or es with the first form of the verb. So I have added es with the teach. So these are the examples of simple present. Now let's see some more examples of this type. Examples. They eat dinner at 6 p.m. every evening. We drink orange juice every morning. So drink is the first form of the verb. I walk to school with my friends every day. Walk is the verb. Bats sleep at day and hunt at night. Rain falls from the sky. Now, let's start present continuous. It's very easy. Activity going on. So, activity going on at present, that is called present continuous. When any activity or any action is in motion at present time, it's present continuous. So now we will learn how to make sentence of present continuous. First, subject, then is or am or are, and then first form of the verb plus ing, then object. Subject plus is am are plus first form of the verb, and we have to add ing with the first form of the verb, and then object. Here I have taken an example. I is a subject, and with I have to take am, and this is the verb, and we have to add ing with the first form of the verb, so it will be watching and you. I am watching. What are you doing? You are watching me. I am teaching you. These all are the examples of present continuous. One more example we can take. He is cooking food. So with he we have to take is, and then first form of the verb and we have to add ing again, and this is the object. So what will be there? He is cooking food. Let's see some more examples of present continuous. The teacher is trying to teach their class. Andy is driving to work. Helen and Kitten are talking. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like it. So guys, we'll continue in next video. So bye and take care.